Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today, on behalf of Covest Asset Management, we are presenting our new investment opportunity, Corporate Park Opportunity 1. This asset is based in Ahmedabad, in one of the most desired locations, and this is the best asset in that area. We'll be covering a few things today: what makes this investment so attractive, the location overview in depth, about the asset and the tenant, and how Covest functions. It's a 9-year-long lease, 108 months to be specific. 7% rental yield is what is anticipated as an average of the first 5 years. 14% IRR is what we expect conservatively. There is higher capital appreciation expectation because of the developments taking place around the asset as well as on Amli Road. And the location being Amli Road, if you are from Ahmedabad or know the Ahmedabad market, that's the location you want to be as an investor. A few things about Ahmedabad. IIMA, one of the top management institutes, Motera Stadium, the largest cricket stadium in the world, Narendra Modi Stadium now, and Sabarmati Riverfront. Ahmedabad as a micro market is extremely strong. It is the most affordable tier 1 city right now in the country, making it extremely attractive for corporates. With the surge in the gift city market, we are seeing tremendous capital appreciation in terms of CRE as well as residential real estate. Fourth highest GDP producing state is Gujarat, and Ahmedabad is the largest city in the state. We are very bullish about the Ahmedabad and the gift city zone, and hence we are very bullish about the specific deal as well. Getting a little deeper into the location of the asset. The asset sits right in between SG Highway and SP Ring Road. This is the prominent SBD micro market on Amli Road. Amli Road, along with Sindhu Bhavan Marg and Rajpath Rangoli, are 3 prominent areas in Ahmedabad right now, Amli being on the top. Bhopal, Amli, T Junction, as well as ISKCON Junction, these are very popular CRE investment zones, and hence our asset just is in a great location, covered by great opportunities. In terms of transportation, there's a BRTS stop right in front of the asset, making it extremely convenient. Airport is about 35 minutes away. The active metro station right now is Thaltej. AMC does have plans to have further metro stations closer to the asset, but the active one right now is Thaltej, about 11 minutes away. And the Kalapur railway station is about 20 minutes away. An overview of some tenants are in and around the area. Opulence, one of the largest co-working operators in Ahmedabad, has leased about 9,000 odd square feet on Bhopal Amri T Junction. Tattva Care, Vitality Healthcare, other pharmaceutical players are a little on the internal from Amli, Vitality being on SG Highway. Shriram Finance does have plans to extend its operations from Satellite Road and SG Highway onto Amli Road. Motilal Oswal, one of the largest mutual fund AMCs, has its office on in between Amli and Sindhu Bhavan Marg. Some of the recent lease transactions that have taken place in the Ahmedabad zone, minded that the average rent per square feet per month is 43.76 rupees. Anything above 50 rupees is very comparable. Our asset is at 58 rupees to be specific. The asset in general is spectacular. It is on 12,000 odd square yards of area. It's 2 towers, both 22 stories, 8 elevators, 2 service elevators. One of the essential parts that tenants are looking for today is a 3-phase electric connection. Anyone who's leasing above 5,000 square feet in any corporate area requires that, and it's a big plus. It's more of a necessity right now than a demand, and Navratna Corporate Park does provide it. Images of the asset, the exterior facade and the impressive entrance of the asset. Our specific floor, the 19th floor, which is completely occupied by Africare Global. About 2 months ago, they did have progress in interior design and development. They are expected to occupy the space by October 1st. Navratna being one of the largest developers in Ahmedabad, and they only use the best vendors along with them. This is the building standard. For the people who do not know the Ahmedabad market, I would like to go a little deeper on the specific location of this asset and what's forming in and around it. The premise that we plan on acquiring for the Covest Corporate Park Opportunity 1 is encircled by the green marker. Just adjoining the plot of land is another plot which has been traded for a record price in Ahmedabad. I would like to bring your emphasis to this plot. This plot, about 7,500 odd square yards, has been traded for the highest price ever in terms of a land acquisition in Ahmedabad. The developer does intend on bringing commercial property or commercial development into this specific plot of land. The minimum office size for this is about 2,100 square feet. RERA carpet would be about 55% of the same. Just adjoining the transacted land is another piece of parcel, which is under development by Sangvi Realty out of Ahmedabad. The project is called Centroid. The minimum office size in the same project is again 2,000 odd square feet. The RERA carpet again would be 55% of the same. Another piece of land which is being developed for residential purpose is by Rajyash Group. This plot of land is being developed as ultra high luxury 5-bedroom apartments. This is a residential project. Just goes to show you how much development is taking place around Amli Road and precisely around the asset. Hence our expectations for a higher capital appreciation. In terms of the floor plan, we have strategically taken this location into consideration. Our main goal being liquidity in terms of our investors. This asset has a RERA square feet of 452 square foot, which is a very affordable patch in this zone. Anything right now under construction or existing projects are 2,000 square feet or plus. That just makes the target audience in terms of sales much wider for our opportunities. Moreover, this location has been strategically chosen so that there is no future development that blocks the view of this asset. Mind you, this asset is on the 19th floor. So we have chosen this location. So in the near future, there's no obstruction of view from this specific office, hence creating a higher demand for this specific office space. Africare Global does plan on having the entire floor leased out. In fact, they are already leasing it. About 20 office spaces, 10,000 square feet RERA carpet. Africare plans on spending about 2,500 rupees per square feet in terms of development, which is about 2.5 crores. Just goes to show you how strong the tenant is and the intention for long term. Africare Global is one of the strong pharmaceutical incubators in Ahmedabad. Africare Global has lots of companies in its portfolio, some of them being Surge Energy, Discover General, Star Discover General Insurance, Dinlas Pharma. It also has Fertility Point IVF, which is one of its recent acquisitions. For this specific office space, Africare Global is planning to make this their Asia headquarters, move it from Noida into this specific investment, the Corporate Park Opportunity 1 asset. Africare Global will be the one who will be leasing the space along with Prisure Health as well as Movements Healthcare Private Limited, subsidiaries of Africare Global. Africa Global, in terms of revenue, did about 15.05 crores last year. That is very comparable in terms of the market standards, and it just shows you how strong the tenant is. Fund flow structure, this is how we function in terms of formation of an SPV and handling the asset. All our investors would be funding their money into an SPV, which will then own the asset. So the owner of the asset will be individual investors through the SPV. All transactions are managed and overlooked by our trustee. The SEBI approved trustee we have is Midcon Credential. The SPV and the asset will be managed by Covest. Any returns or any payouts through the asset will be paid through the SPV as distribution. This is how the fund flow structure works. At the time of sale of the asset, any proceedings principal along with profits will flow into the SPV, which will be further distributed. Again, going over the highlights of the investment, 14% is what we are conservatively looking at, 7% rental yield on an average of the first 5 years. Proximity to BRTS and metro station, Amli Road, the best location, 9-year long lease, very safe, very secure, and grade A office building. About Covest, we are Gujarat's only fractional ownership platform. Any investor that invests through us has the opportunity to track their investment online. We have an entire investor portal along with a relationship management team. All your taxation documents along with your KYC and any valuation reports will be available to you on a periodic basis. Our main goal is transparency and exits. We want to focus on exits more than anything. Some of our partners we've previously worked with, and about us. So we do feel very bullish about this specific opportunity. This is an opportunity to invest in one of the best locations in Ahmedabad right now, in demand locations. I mean, with the surge in GIFT City and the connectivity to Ahmedabad micro market is performing at an exceptional pace. I would like to go a little into the financial model. So the overall net purchase price for the asset coming out to be 92 lakhs. Our unit size is 15 lakhs per investment. Rental yield, splendid, according to the market comparables, 58 rupees a square foot. So what I want people to take a note of is our emphasis on the exit. If you see, we do not charge a management fee through the investment. Our management fee for this specific opportunity is 0 throughout the asset. Our performance fee stays 0 throughout the asset up until the point of exit. A lot of people are having issues related to exits when they invest with FOPs, and in terms of liquidity, they have questions regarding that. Our entire intention is to provide your principal as well as profits back to you, so you can invest with us again and invest in other opportunities. Our emphasis is that we only make money when you get your money back. That's our whole motto for this specific investment. And we want to assure our investors that yes, we are looking at this specific target IRR and we will achieve it very comfortably. That's it. An investment multiplier of 1.7x, that is what we are targeting very conservatively. I think that's extremely achievable. Definitely contact us. You can call us on our number 1-800-569-8378. You can also reach out to us on support@Covest. Obviously, we are available through our website and we are situated at the Lenora Suite 312 in Surat. Thank you.